Looking for best green smoothie for weight loss or breakfast smoothie? Let's check these best smoothies that you can use in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Watch the complete video. For more recipes, check the link in the video descriptions.
This is the most delicious, nutritious green smoothie, and you won't taste those hidden veggies. Let's go. 2 pieces of apple, quarter banana, big handful of baby spinach, handful of cauliflower, and a nice splash of coconut water. Blend, enjoy, and follow me for more.
Here's a green smoothie that doesn't taste like a green smoothie. I used to be grossed out by the idea of a green smoothie, but now this is something that I've come to crave because I've sort of perfected how I like it. I measured things out so it'd be easy for you to reproduce. I don't normally do that. And of course you can adjust things to your liking, especially the thickness. You can just use more or less liquid. This is about a heaping cup of frozen ripe bananas and pineapple. Then I'm using the same amount of spinach, not pressed down too tightly. Then add 3/4 of a cup of your favorite oat or almond milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond. I use a 1/4 cup of orange juice. It's optional, and keep in mind that it is straight added sugar. But I think it really wakes up the fruit flavor and makes it not taste green. I make this smoothie all the time without the orange juice because I don't regularly buy it, and it's good both ways. The last thing I add is just vanilla protein powder. You can use your favorite. I'm using a plant-based one. I know super thick smoothies are all the rage, but I like them when they're a little more drinkable, so you do you.
If you can't eat your greens, drink them. Thick and yummy. Add kale and spinach. Add a ton a few times and press down for both. 2 bananas. 1 tablespoon nut butter. Oat milk. And blend till ready. That's all.